Hi there, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can make this lovely dress for yourself. Um, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly please do so. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much. Please like this video, comment below and share with your loved ones. So this is the Ankara print I'll be using for this tutorial. So right here I'm trying to cut out the length. This is folded into four. So before cutting it out, you leave 4 to 6 inches depending on how length you want to leave from the shoulder downwards before the chest line. Just make sure it is before the chest line you're cutting out. So I'll be using 6 inches, and then I'll be adding extra 3 inches to the length of the blouse, which is the dress. You can actually wear this as a dress or as a short as a top on a trouser. So you can see after outlining it, I will take it again so you know and understand what I was saying. So here is the 6 inches before the actual measurement of the dress or top you're making. So whatever you have there, you had extra sewing allowance for the elastic band, for both the for the shoulder elastic band and the downwards for the closing of the opening. So now here is into four, folded into four, and it's for both the back and the front. The bust I'm working with is 42 inches, so I need enough allowance. I have like 56 inches in total afterwards. So this is 56 inches in total. So you can see that's 11 inches enough for the bust measurement and the sewing allowance. So I'll go down here 1.5 inches for the elastic casing I said earlier before covering it like so. So this will stand as a guide for the armhole area. So remember, this is in total after folding it. I have like 14 inches on one side, which is 28 inches after opening it. So the two, both the back and the front in total is 56 inches. So I have enough to go work with on the bust area. So that would be the total wideness of the dress I am making. So now here is the 14 inches. As you can see, here is the 14 inches before covering it, what I did the other time. So I will then go in again. You keep going in because you remember I said that is just a guide for the first curve I did. So I'll cut this out now. You can cut it all together because you're working on a straight, a straight ruffle elastic armhole area. So now here is the armhole, the first outline, and then I will be cutting it into two now just to split the front and the back apart. So here I will take this away now and start up with the sleeve. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed so far, kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel. And here is an eye target fabric. If you want to purchase one for yourself, you can contact me. You can comment on this video so you get the details on how you can reach out to me, and I will do well to send it to you wherever you are. For the sleeve length I'm working with is 23.5 inches long. So you'll be subtracting 4 inches. Why we're doing this is because from the shoulder to the armhole area is 9 inches. So I'll be taking off 4 inches before the curve, and then I'll be adding extra inches for the elastic casing, just like what I did for the dress. So here in total I'm having almost 31 inches, so that by the time I'm done making it, I have enough to work with. You can see how that is very simple. So now I will take from the center part downwards to this place, which is going to be 20 inches wide after outlining. This is 10 inches. You can see it when you open it, it will be 20 inches wide. Just make sure you go in by another 1.5 inches for the elastic casing. Remember I said what I did for the dress, I will also be doing it on this area, so it matches with this, with each other. So because you're making it round, you're sewing everything together before inserting the elastic. So now I'll just come down here and then I'll go in by half of an inch so it is a bit shapy, so it doesn't look just straight and shabby. So this is the sleeve now. You can see how I curved that. I'll take my scissors now and then I'll cut it out. So after cutting the sleeve, you can see how it is. So I'll take it back to the dress, which is the armhole area. You can see the way I'm placing this. So I will shaping it if it is not well aligned. So you can see the way I'm doing this. So I will shaping this now, so it is well aligned with the dress or whatever you're making, either the dress or the blouse. So you can see it. So I will also take and cross check it if it will be enough to go around the armhole. Because it is not enough, this is the time you can actually trim it and make sure whatever you're having there is enough. So I'll go to my machine and merge everything together, starting from the armhole area. You stitch the armhole, and here is it, and this is the armhole I was talking about. You stitch it, and then before joining the sleeve, you join both the armhole for the bodice and the sleeve part together, because you want it to align together with each other. So here is the sleeve opening, so you connect it downwards to the bodice. So that is it. So here now we'll be attaching the elastic band. Here is the elastic band. Just make sure it goes round your wrist, and then it is enough to stitch. Afterwards you insert it to your sleeve so it doesn't look too tight. So it is best you make it like 2 inches excess from your wrist measurement. So now here is the round shoulder area I was talking about the other time, which is the chest area, connecting it to your sleeve, so you don't have any issue while you're inserting the elastic casing. So here is almost 40 inches in length. So, and everything I am working with here is 46 to 47 inches wide, so it is enough. It's not really too tight. After passing it round, it's not really too tight or too losing. So that will be all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoy making it, guys. If you haven't subscribed, kindly please subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bell on, and again I will be posting a trouser tutorial shortly. Please stay tuned and subscribe so you get to see more videos like this. Bye, guys.